Stop wondering if you can create a website without the skills and follow this tutorial to learn how to build your no-code website. Hi, I'm Beatrice and I've been helping streamers go live, monetize live streams, and grow communities on their WordPress websites for over 5 years now. After this video, you will have no other excuse than to go ahead and get started with your no-code website. So what I'm doing is going to my fresh WordPress install site. So here it is, and I'm going to the appearance section and then to themes. Here I want to type in Hello WP Stream theme. And this is a free theme that was created by the WP Stream authors. So WP Stream is a streaming plugin that you can add to any theme on WordPress, to any site, and that is how you add live streaming functionality. But this theme was created for those who want a full on streaming website, so similar to Netflix, to YouTube, or even live e-commerce. So if you have a WooCommerce store and you want to sell clothes or makeup or shoes or anything, you can add live shopping with this plugin. But we have all these demos created. So we had this theme, and now I'm showing you this plugin over here, the WP Stream plugin, and I've installed the other required plugins as well. Now I'm going to Appearance and clicking on Import Demo files. And here I have the Hello WP Stream theme. Under it, you'll find all the 5 demos. So we have the main demo, esports demo, the live shopping demo that I was talking about earlier, and we have 2 church demos if you're a church. Now I'm choosing the esports demo, and after importing it, this is how my esports demo looks like. So it basically looks like a YouTube type of community website. So all you have to do is replace the images, the text and things like that. But the structure is already there, the categories are there. And yeah, all you need to do is replace everything and actually create your website in that way. So we have the format and everything is just ready to go. Now, the one thing I want to show you is how your regular users, so that your community can actually go live. So they can click on start streaming, and from here they can either create a free channel or a paid channel. And here's the channel. They can also add tags, categories, a trailer, preview, images, and things like that. So your actual community can actually go live on your site, not just you. So I'm going to show you how you can go live. I'm going back, clicking on WP Stream All Channels. And with this esports demo import, I have a few pay-per-view channels and free-to-view channels, and I just want to go live on one of this. So here I'm going to click on settings. So you can also check out the channel settings from here. So you can record your live stream, display viewer count, adaptive bitrate, low latency encrypting, auto turn on, things like that. So you can discover those on your own as well. I'm clicking on turn on channel. So I want to turn on channel before I can go live. And I also want to view how my channel looks like before it's on. So this is how my channel looks like. And as you can see, I have this trailer set up already. It's through the import, and you can add your own trailer. And I'm also going to go live using OBS Studio. So OBS Studio is a free pro tool that you can use to go live, and everyone uses it. It's amazing. It's so customizable. And yeah, I'm going to settings and then on stream and copy pasting the server and stream key from WP Stream to OBS Studio and clicking on start streaming. Now, if I go back, let's exit this pop-up, and if I go back to my channel, it says that the live stream is starting, and now you will see that the live stream is happening. So right under the live stream, we have this bar where you can leave the comments, how many people are watching, like, dislike, share, and things like that. And I also want to add a chat room that's currently missing. So I'm going to the customize section on top and looking up live channel settings. And here you will see that only one thing is disabled, and that is the chat. So we're using the Better Messages plugin, but once you install the theme and the required plugins, you get this as well. So here's how the chat room looks like. I'm going back and I'm typing in a text. You can also add emojis, you can add mods, you can set up different things through the Better Messages plugin in the settings area. But yeah, it's really cool to have a chat option for live streaming, of course. So I've just sent off a message. This is how it looks like, how the page looks like. And yeah, now the other thing I want to show you. So I spoke a little bit about streaming settings for your actual community. So here's how you can allow or um, not allow your users to stream. You can also choose how many channels a user can create, and also if you want to allow them to create paid channels, so actually sell their live streams to viewers. So if I go back to how my user will see this area, here's the button for new paid channel. So I just clicked on that. And if I click on edit channel, this will pop up and you can add a channel thumbnail, a trailer, preview, text, um, media categories, movie ratings, images, and you can also add a price for your channel. So, like I said, your community can sell live streams, so they can go live and sell live streams to viewers. And that is basically it. Once you're done, you click on stop streaming. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for the next one. Bye.